Hey everyone, welcome back to OrbitTechOfficial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Today, I'm going to show you a quick Excel trick that'll save you time every single day. Imagine a long column of prices. Most people type equals average and drag all the way down the column. It uses more time to select enter data. To quickly calculate the average in Excel using your keyboard, first select the starting cell of your data. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow to select the entire column. Then type equals, average, open parenthesis, and press Ctrl plus enter. Excel will calculate the average of the selected numbers instantly. This shortcut saves time and avoids using the mouse. To calculate the average of a row or column in Excel using the keyboard, first go to the starting cell. If your data is continuous, press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow for columns or right arrow for rows to select all cells. But if there are blanks, this shortcut will stop at the first empty cell. In that case, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to select all cells to the end of the row or column. If you selected extra cells, hold Shift and press left arrow for rows or up arrow for columns until only the cells you want are highlighted. Then type equal. Average, open parenthesis, and press enter. Excel will instantly calculate the average for all selected cells, even with gaps. Using these keyboard shortcuts saves time and avoids using the mouse. Keyboard and press Ctrl plus Shift, and watch the magic happen. Go to the cell, type equals average, then press Ctrl plus spacebar. Yes, this selects the entire column instantly. Or press Shift plus spacebar to select the entire row. Press enter, and boom! Excel calculates your whole row or column, even if it has blanks or gaps. Isn't that awesome? You've just unlocked a super shortcut. Now comment below if you already knew this magic key, or if you're going to try it in your work. Next shortcut key. Let's talk about one of the most powerful shortcuts in Excel, Ctrl plus T. When you select a range of data and press Ctrl plus T, Excel instantly converts your data into a table. This isn't just for looks, tables make your data much easier to manage. You can sort and filter columns instantly, and Excel automatically applies formatting to help you see your data clearly. As you add new rows or columns, the table expands automatically, and you can even add totals quickly without typing formulas manually. Using Ctrl plus T saves time, keeps your spreadsheet organized, and makes working with data faster and more professional. Try it in your next Excel project and see the difference. Next we learn to create chart to a table. In Excel, creating a chart from a table is super simple and makes your data much easier to visualize. First, click anywhere inside your table. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here, you'll see different chart options like column, line, pie, and more. Choose the chart type that best represents your data. Excel will automatically create a chart based on your table, including all rows and columns. You can then move it, resize it, or customize colors and styles from the Chart Design tab. Using charts makes it easier to understand trends, compare values, and present your data professionally. Always make sure your table has headers, because Excel uses them as labels in your chart. Next, let's create a chart from a single horizontal row of data in Excel. Start by making sure your data is arranged properly with headings at the top and values in one clean row. Now select the entire row, including your labels. Next, go to the Insert tab, and under the Charts section, choose the chart style you prefer, like a line chart, column chart or bar chart. Excel will automatically convert that single row into a proper chart. Sometimes the chart may appear flipped or the axis may look reversed. If that happens, go to Chart Design and click on Switch Row, Column. This will instantly fix the orientation. And that's it. You've successfully turned a single row of data into a clear and professional-looking chart in Excel. Next we learn asterisk. Here's how to update or change the current date across all your Excel data quickly. First, go to the cell where your date is stored. If you want today's date to update automatically, type the formula equals today open and close brackets. Excel will now always show the current date every day without you changing anything. If you want to manually update the date for your entire sheet, press Ctrl plus F, choose Replace, and type the old date in the Find box. Now type your new date in the Replace with box. Click Replace All. Excel instantly updates the date everywhere in your file. If you're using multiple sheets, hold Shift to select all sheets first, then use Replace All to update dates across every sheet at once. And that's it. Whether you want an auto-updating date or you want to replace an old date in all your data, Excel makes it quick and easy. Asterisk. Next we learn currency number in this quick tip. I'll show you how to convert numbers into currency in Excel. First, select the cells that contain your numbers. Next, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift and the dollar key. Just like that, your numbers are instantly formatted as currency. If you want a different currency symbol, go to the Home tab, click on the Number Format drop-down, and select Currency. You can even choose symbols like rupee, euro, or pound depending on your needs. Using this shortcut saves a lot of time and makes your data look professional. Try it out on your Excel sheet and see how easy it is to format numbers as currency. Next let's explore the formula bar in Excel. The formula bar is at the top of your worksheet, right above the columns. It shows what's inside the selected cell, text, numbers, or formulas. You can click inside the formula bar to edit your data directly, without changing the cell itself. For formulas, it's a lifesaver, letting you see and modify even long calculations easily. To use it, simply select a cell, type your formula or text in the formula bar, and press Enter. Keep an eye on the formula bar. It's a simple yet powerful tool to manage and understand your data better in Excel. Try it out and make your work faster and cleaner. Asterisk. Let's quickly recall everything we learned in this Excel tutorial. To calculate total or average values, use equals average, and select your data with Ctrl+Shift+down arrow or Ctrl+Shift+N, and highlight the column with Ctrl+spacebar. Next, convert your data into a table using Ctrl+T, then explore Table Tools to create charts and diagrams using Alt+F1. We also learned how to convert a chart into a single row, apply currency formatting with Ctrl+Shift+$, and insert the current date using Ctrl+. Finally, to expand or collapse the formula bar, use Ctrl+Shift+U. All these shortcuts make Excel faster and smarter. To learn more Excel shortcuts, subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications. Have you used these keys in your workplace? Do comment below and tell us how they helped you. Share where and how you applied these shortcuts, and let everyone know if it made your Excel work faster. Thank you.